How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax Cocoa, and check out this boat. This is a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This is a beautiful two-tone hull color boat. The SDX series is the Sun Deck series from Sea Ray, which means they're versatile. You can do just about anything with them. Tons of bells and whistles. Just a great all-around boat. This boat does have the electric bimini, which will lower and raise with digital switching, which I'll show you once we get to the helm. And powering this boat is a big, beautiful 300 V8 Mercury in the white paint, which matches this boat perfectly. Let's check out the inside. All right, guys, here we are in the cockpit of this 270 SDX, and I wanted to show you this back here on the stern. You've got this huge sun pad, perfect for catching some rays out there on the Indian River at the sandbar. Perfect place to lounge. You've got your USB and USB-C chargers here, as well as cup holders and a freshwater washdown when you're ready to get that salt water off of you at the sandbar. And if you come on in here in the cockpit, show you some of the storage options in this boat. You do have drainable storage here, work for your cooler. And here, this is for your big toys, your skis, wakeboards, tubes, stuff like that. Plenty of room in there. Tons of cup holders throughout, LED lights at the bottom. Like I said, this is the SDX, this is the Sun Deck version from Sea Ray, so they do a phenomenal job of maximizing the storage and utilization in this boat. You can see right here, your backrest on your co-captain seat will slide back, allowing for more seating in the cockpit, and the same for your captain seat at the helm. Slides forward and backwards, just to maximize everything. At your helm, you got twin Simrad MFDs, your switches here, your digital throttle powering that beautiful, powerful 300 Mercury in the back. And here you have your cabin, perfect for tucking away the kids, storing all your items in there. Super sizable cabin. You can see we've got a lot of storage in there right now. And simply close it up just like that. More cup holders, more LEDs, more speakers with this Fusion audio head unit right here on your other console with a little lockbox right there for when you want to dock it at the restaurant. Moving up here at the bow, you got a great space up here. Another spot for a bow table. You also have an option for a cockpit table toward the back. And this is just a great spot to do your sunset cruise going down the Indian River down here in Cocoa. This boat is available now at MarineMax Cocoa, or if you have any questions, just click the link in the description, and we'd be happy to talk to you.